Welcome to CP Coffee Academy, where we bring the art of coffee to life through professional training and experiential workshops, designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. Now, we're thrilled to partner with schools across the UAE to offer exciting new programs as part of your extracurricular activities, after-school programs, and school holiday camps. Imagine your students mastering hands-on skills like espresso making, milk steaming, and latte art, guided by skilled baristas. At CP Coffee Academy, we're not just brewing coffee, we're brewing creativity, teamwork, and confidence in the next generation of coffee enthusiasts. Our workshops go beyond the basics, teaching students real-world barista techniques, the history of coffee, its origins, and the art of brewing. Students will learn practical skills they can take into future careers in hospitality, entrepreneurship, and more. Our specialized courses include a deep dive into latte art, showcasing the best in signature drawings. Explore various techniques and styles that make latte art a signature skill. From basic hearts and rosettas to complex swans and tulips, we cover it all. Learn how to control milk texture, pouring techniques, and the art of free pouring. Join us to master the essentials of espresso and unleash your creative flair with latte art. Our workshops also encourage team building and problem solving, giving students the opportunity to work together, overcome challenges, and express their creativity through coffee. But that's not all. Coffee training integrates seamlessly with STEM education, connecting science, technology, engineering, and math. Whether understanding coffee extraction, brewing equipment, or perfecting recipes, students will engage with practical learning in a fun and creative environment. With flexible 2 to 3 hour sessions, tailored to both primary and secondary students, and small group sizes for optimal interaction, your students will receive an enriching and highly personalized experience. Upon completing the workshops, they can even earn certificates to showcase their new skills. By offering CP Coffee Academy workshops, your school provides students with practical life skills, boosts their creativity, and opens up exciting future opportunities. Coffee preparation is more than just a skill. It's a gateway to cultural appreciation, problem solving, and career development. Ready to enrich your school's ECAs, after-school programs, and holiday camps? Let's make this collaboration a reality. Contact us today to learn more about integrating these hands-on workshops into your school curriculum. Together we can inspire creativity, build confidence, and empower the future, one cup of coffee at a time. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.